Hello Holistretch fam, welcome to a Holistretch video. My name is Frances Eve. I'm here with my friend Shane. Today we are going to be working on opening his knees. So if you have any clients with meniscus tears, ACL issues, or they had knee surgery, these assisted resistance stretches are going to help your clients strengthen and stretch the whole area around the knee. If you are looking for more stretch videos like this, then please subscribe to the channel as there are many more videos like this. Okay, I will see you guys on the inside.
Welcome back. So we're going to go ahead and start with your client on the table. You'll cup your hands around their left heel. So we start on the left side of the body, usually, not always, but usually because this is the receiving side of the body. So as the body receives on the left side, it's ready to give on the right side. So we open up the left side by cradling the heel and making large round movements with the leg. What this does is this opens up the hip and also tells you as the practitioner which areas of the body they're tight. Next, we cradle underneath their knee with our forearm and make little smaller, more intimate circles. So this helps to open up the groin, the adductor muscles, and feeling into where they're tight. Once you find that spot, we'll go ahead and pin their foot down with your thigh as you sit onto the table, cradling your hands right over the knee, so right onto the quad, and then straightening your spine, leaning the body back. They'll go ahead and inhale as you come forward and exhale as you pull back towards you. This opens up the hip flexor and the quad as well. Starts to release the hip joint. And so when we're working on the knee, or any area of the body, really, we want to work on the surrounding muscles and bones. So we are working also on opening the hip, and now we're going to start to work on opening the ankle through the gastrocnemius and the soleus. So you can either sit on the edge of the table here to pin their foot, but I like to sit right on the table or have one knee on the table to pin their foot. We'll go ahead and bring the inside of your fingers to the inside of their knee, right into the edges of their soleus and right into their gastric. As you lean the body back, you're pulling on their calf. And as you pull on their calf, you start to relax the tissues surrounding the knee. We'll create a soft tissue and soft space for the leg to move freely, and so it's not so tight. Oftentimes knee issues are caused by tight muscles either in the quad or in the calf or the shin, and also potentially in the hamstring. So the next thing we want to do is rule that out and open up the hamstring. A lot of us are super tight in the hamstring, so this is a really good exercise to do with anyone who has hamstring issues. You want to go ahead and bring their foot to your hip and then grab onto it, cradle it, just like you cradled the heel before with your right hand, and then cradle their knee with your left hand. We'll go ahead and have them inhale as they press the heel down towards their hip. And then you will go ahead and gently pull up their heel back again, keeping their knee secure. You want to make sure they feel safe, steady, secure, grounded, and go nice and slow, always matching the breath with the movement. Inhaling, squeezing the heel in, and exhaling, opening up that leg. Nice and easy, nice and controlled, making sure that they're resisting as you come up. So the stretch isn't really going to do anything if they're not resisting. So always make sure that they're giving you resistance and take care of your body. Keep your spine nice and straight and lift up using your whole body, not just your arms, or you'll wear yourself out. I tend to do between 4 and 6 of the resistance stretches with my clients. It really just depends on what they need. So we'll go ahead and end there, and then make our way to open up their groin, inner thigh. This also gets the popliteal region, so the inside of the knee. And how I want to do it is very similar to what we just did, cradling their foot, having them squeeze their foot in, and then opening it up. So we're just getting the inside part of the leg this time, still cradling the knee, this time with your right hand and your left hand on their heel. And you can rotate your own body to open up their leg, making sure they're resisting, so no overstretching here. Nice and controlled. And breathe. Exhale, rotate. Inhale, squeezing in. Cradling their knee. Very good. So now what I'll have them do is bring their heel to your hip. As you can see here, I'm also doing some soft tissue work on their opposite leg. And they'll have them squeeze their heel into your hip, keeping their leg straight. So this is really, really good for the adductor muscles, which can often be tight in people with knee issues. So we want to gently open them up here, that inner thigh, and making sure they're breathing. And if you like, you can swing to the other side and softly massage them. Nice. Switching legs now. We're going to go ahead and cradle that right heel with your hands, making nice big circles with the leg, and have them relax their right hip all the way down. The more they're relaxed, the more you can move the leg, the more the hip joint will open up. Go ahead and cradle the knee with the forearm, and making some more intimate circles, smaller circles, closer to the hip, closer to the chest. And feel around where their tension is, where they're tight. Once you've found your spot, you're going to drop their foot down and pin it down. So again, you can sit on the edge of the table or in the center of the table like I do. Go ahead and clasp on to the top of their knee and drop your body back, keeping that spine nice and straight, your core tight, keeping your shoulders down, opening up their hip flexor, and breathe. And taking that foot now, we're going to press into the soleus and gastrocnemius once again. So bringing the fingers to the inside of their leg and drawing the body back. You can make little side to side motions with the right hand and the left hand, rocking side to side, getting the edge of the soleus muscle. This can be very painful for some clients, so only go as far back as is manageable for them. Always make sure that they're exhaling on the greatest part of the stretch or massage. So as you lean back, exhale. Next, we're going to open up their hammy on the right side. So cradling their knee and their heel, we're going to get up on the table and mind our body mechanics. So keeping our spine straight, Have them squeeze the heel inward and then resist as you open it up outward. Inhale, squeezing the heel down. Exhale, opening up the leg. Paying special attention to the knee, making sure it's protected, it's safe, it's sound, and it's gently opening up. Squeeze down, inhale, exhale, open up behind the knee. Notice if you're getting any more flexibility with each time you lift up. We'll go ahead and open it here. And then we'll get to the inner leg, the inner thigh. So opening it up, starting bent, squeezing the heel in, and then opening it up out. You can open up that leg by rotating your body, rotating your hips, open to the side. Exhale. Inhale, squeeze the heel in. Exhale, open it up. Start to notice any cracks or adjustments happening on the inside of that knee. And when you've done about 4 to 6, we're going to go ahead and straighten their leg and do the same thing. Have them squeeze the heel into your hip and then push the hip out. So every time the hip comes forward, their leg opens up just a little bit more. Squeezing in, inhale, exhale, opening up that leg. If you like, you can do some soft tissue on the opposite leg. If you're tall and can reach. And go ahead and end your session by gently shaking out their legs. Thank you guys so much for joining me. It's been a pleasure to make this video for you. Let me know how you like the video and what else you'd like to learn how to stretch. I hope you guys feel amazing. Watch my other videos for more stretch techniques and see you on the next video. Ciao.